Me not trust none of them boy, the road boy. Remember.
Greetings to all my viewers and subscribers. You don't know Oliver lifestyle over there, so Oliver Unfiltered over here, so you know, sir, feature the channel here and push the channel here to the farthest part, because you don't know things said, you know what I mean? Better to have two than one, better to have three than one, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and that's how things set, because if you get a defeat, you have one for rap on, you see, that's how things set, a common sense down. Yeah, man, but right now, guys, from one day, I feel one little funny feeling. You see me? Yeah, man, I feel like a funny feeling, guys. See, now I say Jano, but now I have to pay no mind still, you know? So I see my youth, them start move away. Now I come out of bed and see them move joopy and them thing and that. No normally happen. You see it? That no normally happen. I notice them now come out of bed because normally them run come to me and hug me up and all them thing there. You see it? That one thing, you know, guys, to treat my children them good, you know. I try my best to do that. You see me, I say, because well, my one them, and I have to respect my children them, and I expect people to respect theirs as well. And parents must know, say, listen me, when the youth them become of age, that because them become of age, I have to obligate to everything I say, and that's how it work. Because people have their own life to live. Some parents want to control them children and all them things. We understand, say, based upon knowing that your parents them get you know what I mean, you're born and you come and you did in a hand and a rock and ray and then you grow up and, you know, you're still alive, you have that kind of connection there, but it is impossible to have such connection. You see me and say, you will only have a connection knowing that that is your son, that is your daughter, and they might come around and treat you good and all them thing there. They might take sick and they will push you in the wheelchair, go to the hospital to get your care go pharmacy to get your tablets and whatever, depends on your age group and depends on what happened to you or depends what you're sick with. But right now, guys, may I tell you some here, a whole heap of me passed last night and here a man have a cough there, may I say blouse and skirt and some son. Yeah, man, is a very serious cough for go round, man. It's a cough and flu thing, man. You see it, pain up your joints and all them thing there, guys. May I tell you star right now. Trust me, guys, may I tell you say feel funny, because just imagine how me youth them I go through. And many other people who've been facing this challenge, we don't know where the boy them put in the ear. You see me, I say, since of this, we realize, guys, the climate change. Yes, I must agree to that. Time get chilly and all them things, but I wonder why in the atmosphere. Because, me I tell you, say, we either come like chicken gun here. Me never catch chicken gun here. Never catch it. Because for me, that the time, it never come in this. Almost one man catch it out of 1,700 inmates. You see me I say, one man, see, and there's a water carried in the facility. You see me I say, or carried in the institution. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you know, by when you look back on it and see you, them will go through them thing there. And you feel it as a adult. I know it cramp you up. You can imagine I deal with the youth. I say, we run to the market, guys, and get some whole heap of citrus, some orange seeds, we get pine, buy. You see, because nobody not really have to give nothing too tough. I some real loyal people out there where we give you certain things. You see me I say, but when you see me say go market and rare and like somebody give me, you understand? Buy it. See, and if a market vendor rate you and you not have a money, they will credit your thing to because by an idea them know say they will have it there so till it spoil. So, you know, they rather credit you it and knowing that them have something coming in when. Because sometimes some people make it bad for yourself. You know, you where we spend, you know, we are spend heavily at a vendor stall. Sometimes some man get the opportunity there and mash up everything and vendor don't really want to trust you for bust you if you really run low on cash. See? But, you know, I had was to get some citrus. You know what I mean? And things, see, and pine and watermelon and banana and oranges, as we say, the citrus there. I was looking for grapefruit. I didn't see any. You know what I mean? And right now, the market are like $1,000 a dozen for orange. See? Fruits itself is very expensive. See? And by pine and them thing that the youth them take on to the pine, my daughter, because my daughter is a child where she love her food, you know. She love her food. So as I said, there are some simple little things they can take on when a child not, you know, happy or them sad or something. You can know, because if you have a child and you see the child always run up and down or come round you and all them things, and all of a sudden you don't see it, you know something is wrong. See it there? Yeah, man. So guys, right now, I tell you something, I feel fresh out. Wake out. You see me? When you cough, you feel the water in your stomach burn you. You feel how the nose burn you. And you see worse again when if you're trouble with sinus. See? Yeah, man, guys. As I tell you, I see somebody talk one day on TikTok and I say, one man, and I say, I got a doctor. If you see him feeling, and when in there, they see people, their doctor, their hospital, a matter of fact, with the same thing too, coughing. See, the matter is, guys, this when you cough, one line has to come like that, open up. You see it? Yeah, man, I'm not joking thing, guys. See? So right now, me normally I take on some pill like Advil, you know, for pain and sinus and everything there. Right now, I feel like I got some herbs I go drink, you know. Dig out some bush out of the root and beat up it. You see me I say? And work with it, because you don't know certain set, you know, guys. You have to try other remedies. I think yesterday I tried I boiled some ginger and garlic together. It's a good menu, a good tea, nice tea to really drink. Some people chop the garlic, some people chop the ginger, some people chop both of it, you know, to get the strength of it, out of it. But guys, me I tell you, man, if you don't trouble with that coffee, man, me I tell you, you don't know what me I talk, I don't know normal. We say me I pass a man and me the man and come, me I say blouse and skirt. Me can't just imagine come like the man that have it, the flu too, or have something. Me see a virgin and I tell the man, say, yo, careful like flu, you know, because one bad flu go on now. Blouse and skirt. The man say, me been through it one day, mash me up. Mash him up, man. You know why worst thing about it, guys, is when you go take bed, blow, wow. When you go take bed, I know not normal, guys. It starts, you work on your headache. You hear my wife a cough? Can't get figure work. You see what I say? Yeah, man. But right now, guys, I don't know things set. I do it to make everybody see it, because I don't know. You see me? Yeah, man. My daughter, a 3-year-old, she don't want to take the DPH. She don't like it. I want to try to check her, but she's smart. You see me? I want to try to check her, but she's smart, guys. You see it? I try to see if we can get some red syrup and put it in her mouth, but she tastes the difference. But me I say, you see them cough medicine, guys, and DPH. One time they never make so, you know, and taste like this, you know. Them have a funny taste, and we can't understand with she. See, with the boy drink it. Him drink it and he not give me no trouble. But she did that, me know, so she pain up. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I mean, that man, I no run go doctor. I no run go doctor. You see me I say, I no run go doctor. It have to be severe. It have to be really serious. You see me I say, I no run go doctor. Because Bridget right now told me, see, you can't trust doctor. You can't trust doctor. You can't trust doctor. Because you don't know what they do. You don't know what they give you. You see? Yeah, man. A serious thing, man. You see, when a man might see me come out on a reason, a man might even know to the depths of life how me think. You see? Because them vaccinate you used to get all that stuff. I know people when I get nothing and then fit and strong like a fiddle. What me say? Fit and strong like a fiddle. And they never get that yet. Never. Our dear, me see person, and the person say, me just go down a clinic, you know, because I have to deal with some business and we never have them documents and way. And you see when I see it, I just look and I say, John, you know, say when the person take all that, the person can't end up as sick. The person never sick yet. You see it? Yeah, man, system weird, man. System weird, guys. I don't know, joking thing I go on. Chicken gun, yeah, the man them let it go. Every virus we can think of, the one them make it and let it out upon we. Just take it as we tell you. You'd have one country out in the ocean, the one little island where nobody never discover. Me can't remember any name. Where some black people live on. Nobody never knows that people live on the island. Until it was discovered by some people. We said them had what? Geography. Guys, you see from the scientists and go over there, everybody start dead. Everybody start unalive. Everybody start sick. For all the years where people lived upon the island, nobody never sick yet. Nobody at all. And as people go over there, people start take sick. Weird. Yeah, man. So I say, guys, you see, the medical system controlled by a certain set of people, you know, guys. We don't know if you know, you know. And the symbol is in front of you, know. Every day the symbol is in front of you. The symbol tell you who control the medical. The whole medical fraternity. The sign is there. And if you can't see sign, you're not going to see again. You see me? Yeah, man, the sign is there, man. Every vehicle is signed upon. Every vehicle. See? But you don't know, you don't have to seek that. I don't have to notice them things. But as we say, guys, I want Oliver Lifestyle JA. See? Keep the channel active because you don't know anything set. Go over there, go watch on 2 video where you might never see before. Although sometimes some people like on my reason, they don't like go listen, like watch certain content. You might not want to watch how me cook, you might not really want to watch how me well one piece of jerk pan or something, but they don't know certain thing go. When you give me the ratings and we take it, because you know we now work with pot scraping to see it. But you don't know Oliver Unfiltered J, and as we tell you now, we soon change Unfiltered. You see me? Because we don't like nothing bother we know. Me like your name, but we don't like nothing bother. And yeah, some people feel like they want to take the body too. They feel like they can't read and write. Fucking fool. Them fool. They're ready to judge. I'm sure how I know some people are easy. We do a content about color system and me do the content to catch the audience. Me do the title to catch the audience. If me say, me not like a color cement, say and do. All you have to do is go in a video, go watch, but you don't know what they do. When they see title, then run, come type and I tell about, oh, me unsubscribe from you, and you sit by your ass, and color bossing, but what? Colors are bossy mass for work and you sit down and do about review. Review me. Like they must say review me. You know what I mean? Something out of that thing. You see me? I don't really want to tell a lie, but I know they might fight against it. Enough people don't like reactors, you know. When reactors not talk nothing bad in a video. Because in a video, if a person is looking at a video, then they know something not talk about. You understand, guys? Them that know say you're not talk about. But they're so fool and I can go and like say them bright. You see me? I just tell people otherwise, you know, because you might feel like you're bright and educated and you have one whole heap of subject. Sometimes you're nothing but old fart. Poop, 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 poop. Sometimes some of you know are nothing but that. Because you want to come and deal with that one away. You're not looking at content and watch the content. And them think the content creator have to take and know. Say more times some people don't really watch your content. Them don't subscribe. This when they subscribe and unsubscribe to you, them let's never be loyal from morning. It was just that I want to say, go over to Oliver Lifestyle and then go over and check. But them probably never watch yet. Never watch. Because based on how you react and talk, them tell themselves they don't like you. Or their spirit don't take you. But they still subscribe to you know. But then subscribe and then never watch a video for you. So you have one for them people there. If anybody will subscribe to me for that another farm money today, you don't feel disappear, man. You come on from my channel, man. You don't feel no way. Because if you don't come on my channel, if you put money in my pocket, but you still look around and you see something where you're right, and you know, watch it. You come and talk, and I elaborate, and I chat, and I run off your parrot mouth. That means that you're senseless to my channel. You're not worried if you watch my channel. You have to disappear and flush off yourself. It's simple as that. And me talk, me please to talk. You see me, I say, yeah man. I say, come on. You see me? Yes, you see it happen. One woman come chat. And that's what I know say. In a life you will not get rid of hypocrites. They will always be there. Sometimes some hypocrites will be there and them still watch your videos them in your content. And they will like your content them and they not tell you. Then give the thumbs up but they not talk and tell you, say, boy I like your content. They don't want to give that stripe there for you feel good in yourself. You see me I say? But I say guys, content creators, you know, watch them things and just push on because the world don't revolve around some people like, what I say, like them in control of the earth. You can imagine if some people they control the earth with fart. You can imagine if some people they control oxygen, you fart. You have to buy oxygen, then just look at like and say, yo, take your oxygen from me, man. Can go on. You see it? Yeah man guys man, I tell you. I'm not joking to you. There are some people stay them with them man. Stay them with them. See? Them not like to know them and share the fruit with you. Then come against you and talk about this and talk about that. You see, if me talk something bad about a content creator, it have to be something with whole heap of reason. Whole heap of reason. It just comes up. It just comes up. You see me? Because when me go talk, you see before me talk, me study what me go say. You have enough people when I study. Enough content creator when I study. Then just come out and talk with them, church them out, and say what they want to say. And way. And that's it. Them not study. If you say, well, if me see this bad, me can see it as good too. Then quick to see bad, but don't quick to see good. You see me? Yeah man, so as me say guys, me don't want nobody to come to my channel and go and X on a reel and no say not feel. So if you don't know yourself, you don't just come off my channel. Simple as that. Because my content them are some content was stone cold, you know. When we go for talk, you know, we go talk, you know. Me see people that say, me have some people that say, Oliver, when I done with the vibes, you know, I say, alright, I got done. Let me check a stack and next party now done. Next party now done. When me a Color Smith say, you want peace for this 2025. Me say I want peace. And I say, alright, General, if I saw you have it, I saw you have it. When me check a stack, me see some people not talk about peace. They not deal with peace. They are going like them peaceful, but they're not peaceful. Them talk about and react about certain individuals so much. And when the individual say peace, them not obey by what a person say. That means you're simple and rate the man. You just pretend to rate the man. Because if a man say peace, who want peace? And you rate the man. You have to obey by what a man say. Not saying you're obligated to a person. But if you rate a man, you show a man say, alright, then I rate a man then and he say me for easy. Sometimes when you know want easy. And when you check a stack, if you're a man like me, when me are forward out to talk about a person, when me feel like then I'm aware or attack some negative things when I even go so. When me come out brawling with fire like a dragon, a spit fire. You see it? I go come out and I go lose people, but I go gain people too. You see it? So brethren, we could deal with this 2025 with harmony, respect. A man have to deal with you. You don't have to deal with a man. You don't have to see a man, and a man have to see you. You see me? Don't what talk about like, yeah, me a react and me a this and me a that and re. But when you react false information about a person. You see me? False information. Sometimes we trip, yes, of course. I will say some things when I really got away there. But what? You have some people where they want in a competition with you. They want to feel like them better than you. And you can see it plain and straight. And guys, you see when you see our work in our environment and you see people move like them better than you, take care of yourself and stay far from them. Because that is just bad mind. Straight bad mind. You see what I say? There are some people who get a job in a guys in a one factory. And then just get a job. And they end up becoming a farmer in a factory. They end up telling boss every striking thing where a person do. Every move a person make, then watch you for tell the boss. Remember, see I work with the boss for 25 years. You know? This is somebody that does get to work, you know. And by about 6 months time, you hear a person they get manager. You see me I say acting manager so. You see me I say in I work. And you see when the person get that blouse and skirt. At that time, them are going to take set by you. See? And more time, the person where I run to the boss, you know, guys, is a person where you going to bring in I work, you know. That's why you see me. Anywhere me I work. Anywhere me I do, me I work. Me nah bring nobody. All when me know say you're hungry around this one. Me nah do that. Because you have a way where you will see a man out there and you like him attitude and respect. And just as you said, John, you know, so me can get a little work in a one place. Me can find a space that the man they end up coming and work and cut your throat. Cut your throat, that's if you say blouse and skirt. Look how John make me can lose my work and I make him come in and work. Them things they make you start think on some way where you need one think. You have to think and say, John, you know, so I have to go mash up the boy. Or I have to get rid of the boy. Because I can't take for see me in a good work for all 15, 20 years. And me say me help a man and the man not stop in farm for me say me do something. I may do. Let me tell you something, guys. Anyway I work in a life and you can't say hustling, that makes sense. Hustling have to do that because more time boss saying wicked, they don't want to spend the money, they don't want to take care of them workers. You see me? They don't want to take care of their workers. I want thing me learn about entrepreneur. See, as an entrepreneur, any business you are going on, you have to prepare for loss. You have to prepare for your worker them to block out your foot too. You have to prepare for them things there. See? Because sometimes it is based on you treat them as a manager. If you treat the worker them poorly, what do you think? The worker them are going to pray away. And if they can't do what they want to do, they're going to take on themselves and find something better. Or try to look something better before they left. You see me? And I saw it go in a Jamaica. Yeah. We don't know too, as Jamaican people, we don't know. You see me? Yeah, man. So right now, guys, we want to boil some bush and thing. We have one bush there, you know. I remember the name. You see me? We have one bush there, man. We grew up in my yard. I dig out the root, rough. Rough in the hard to come out of the ground, guys. See? Yeah, man. And a dark blood bush. Guys, I have a story about dark blood bush now. Dark blood bush, when I get my first child, you know. Yeah, man, is a story that I have a long time. It's on TikTok too. Yes, guys, I have some big man. We get some big youth, man. Big man them right now. You see it, so you don't know a long time we are bored was, you know. You see me? Long time. So we get big youth too, you know. But guys, you don't know, you know. Oliver Unfiltered. And remember the channel over there, so Oliver Lifestyle JA. You don't know, so I think so. See? Big up to each and every one. A matter of fact, big up to the real people that will take the time out to watch Oliver Lifestyle, watch Oliver Unfiltered JA, and I do it to make everybody see it. See? Yeah, man, no joke. Do it. If you tell me the bush now, the bush come up in my brain, but it come like we can't come out today. You see me? But I do it, guys. I watch your face, man. One love. every time. Yep.